I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your Azure subscription and that you have contributor or lab owner rights. This avoids permission roadblocks. Next, create a lab account and choose the region closest to users for latency reasons. Once done, decide VM sizes and set spending limits so costs stay predictable. Prepare or pick an image. Use a managed image for repeatability. Make sure to tag resources for tracking and enable user assignment policies, so you can provision VMs to students or teams immediately. Now you configure the lab. Create a lab, add a VM template, and set daily schedules. This enforces availability windows and reduces waste. Once the template is configured, invite users and assign roles, lab creator or user, so permissions match responsibilities. Also configure networking. Choose virtual network, subnet, and adjust inbound rules for RDP/SSH, but keep security in mind. Make sure to enable auto shutdown and attach appropriate storage to preserve user work and control costs before publishing the lab. Publish the lab so users can claim VMs. You'll monitor usage via the lab account dashboard and adjust quotas or scale sets if demand changes. After launch, gather feedback, update the base image with patches or tools, and republish templates to keep consistency. For ongoing management, use alerts for spending and performance. If something breaks, first restart the VM and check subscription quotas. If that fails, verify role assignments and network NSGs. This single troubleshooting path resolves most access and provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.